Wow. This is the club. I just came from downtown, had a quick coffee with a friend. And kids are taking a lesson on those beautiful sailing boats. Very attentively, they leave it alone. There are so many of them this morning on the reservoir. Wow, this is so nice. See the two of one there for bigger kids, more kids. And then we have the coach with his boat coming. Leave it alone. This morning there is so many of those guys on the water, and here on the grass you can see those kids. Don't you feel like to go on the water, my friends?
Yeah.
Will be nice. Look at all those kids. Those are small ones. I come almost every second day here, and this is the first time I've seen so many of those kids taking a lesson.
Yeah, taking lessons.
Yes. Just came from downtown. I have 65k on my leg, but they are all here. Unreal. And you guys just taking the sun. What a bummers. I'm kidding. Go for a walk, you know. Nice. So you like it? You guys don't talk much, huh? It's nice when people talk. We can hear them after it in my YouTube. What language do you speak, my friend?
Swahili.
Ismaili. Ismaili. Salam alaikum.
Swahili.
Israeli.
African language.
African language. So you must be Ismaili.
Tanzania.
Tanzania. Salam alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Kif halab?
Salam.
Assalam. You see? They are special Muslim, you know.
And you are from?
I'm from Israel, Yahudi. You know the Yahudis? The best of the best. The best of the best. How do you call you guys? The Black Jew. You know why? Because you think you're smart like us to make business. I'm just kidding you.
Hey, listen. You have
Say something nice. I'm listening.
okay.
It flew away. You got to be quick. No, it's okay. No, I'm just putting the video more. So say something nice. You been a long time here.
Wow, yes.
You know, I've been in Canada for so many years. But I'm used to your food. My ex-partner was named Zul Rashid. And he fed me all those spicy food you eat. So I'm a little bit kind of Ismaili, you know? More or less. For 35 years I've been eating your food. And in the winter when you come out, it's like a flame coming out of my mouth, so spicy.
Out of your mouth or out of your ears?
My ears too, you know, my mouth too, you know, especially. But anyhow, my friend, welcome to Canada. How do you say hello? I forgot. In your language.
Barigani.
Aberigani?
Jambo.
Yeah, but in Ismaili, how do you say that language? Ali.
Yali.
Say it again loud.
Ya Ali.
Yeah, Ali, you see, those are nice. Tell me something quick. What's the Ismaili a part of the Muslim? I won't put it for teach people. They are part of Muhammad, what sect?
Shia.
The Shia. Ah. And they're after the, what was their name?
Ismaili.
They're not the regular Muslim, you know? Tell me a little bit about the history, my friend.
Ask me.
Oh, you're not religious. But anyhow, thank you very much. You're very nice. Have a nice day. May Allah will give us a lot of shukra.
Amen, amen, amen.
Amen. Shukra meaning a lot of sweet. Also for the Yahudi, for the Jew.